Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. And welcome back. And if you are new here, thanks for being here. Well, if you're old here, thanks for being here. So, I can't lie, I'm in a bit of a rush tonight. It's a weekend. I knew I was coming out all week, but I just didn't know where I was going. To the point where I only booked less than half an hour ago. So I say booked. I'll be honest. I've got a few wants from tonight. I wanted a couple of beers. I wanted a lie-in in the morning. And obviously with both of those things comes the want for not wanting to be moved on. So I have actually booked onto a campsite. One I've never been to before. It's pretty local to where I live, to be fair, but I've never been before. A couple of the regular ones I usually go to are fully booked tonight. So yeah, I've managed to get, well, I think I've managed to get onto this one. Booked it through Pitch for Night. Pitch Up, I mean, I booked it through Pitch Up, like I say, about 20 minutes ago. It's on a working farm, so I couldn't bring the dog, otherwise she'd have been with me. So the place is actually called Covert Farm. So I don't actually know where it is. It's so covert that all I got sent was, I got sent the name of the place, which doesn't come up on Google, and I got sent a postcode, which obviously takes you to the area. So it says it's less than a mile down this road. In the town, or the village of Bednall. Right, according to the sat-nav, we should be here. However, as you can see, there's nothing here. I'm back on the road. Apparently I went past it. Should be down here. Oh sugar, missed a turning, missed a turning, missed a turning, missed a turning, missed a turning. I missed this turning, which is this tiny little thing here, look. As you can see why I missed it. That looks like a working farm to me. Guessing this is probably the place.
Hello.
Hi mate, you alright? Is this Covert Camping?
Yeah, where are you? In the yard?
Yeah, well yeah, I'm right at the very entrance, to be honest, where it says no HGV turning.
Oh yeah, come on up the drive.
Sound.
To the house. I'll see you then.
Thank you, cheers. Bye. Covert by name, covert by nature, eh?
Alright.
How you doing?
Hello.
Couldn't find you. You're right.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the loos are just in the shed here.
Okay, sound.
And then just go past the green.
Alright, here we go. We have arrived. It's definitely a covert place because couldn't find it. Yeah. Just in this little paddock. We've got a tent there and there's a family down there. I'm not going to point the camera down there because they're all they're outside. So, do you know what? Just wanted somewhere quiet, peaceful, somewhere I could have a lie-in. And hopefully this nails it. Depends how working it is in the morning, I guess, doesn't it? Anyway, for now, I'll get my chair out and have a beer. Cheers. Yeah. Cheers. Oh, sugar. I thought about that. Bit of a tour. So as I said, it's a working farm. So we pulled in down there. And he guided us down here. To the camping shed. Pool, sure it's not there you go, kettle. Nothing in there. I assume that's like a communal fridge anyone can just use. Wash your hands. Toilets. Pleasant enough, and actually smells really nice, to be fair. Again, same again. So the one negative I found so far, and I can't, you know, it's a working farm, but the flies. Look at this. The flies are just everywhere. That's where someone like this comes in handy. These flies are becoming unbearable. Have a look. Wait. What are you saying? That's the local farmer's dog. The local farmer's, there he is. Come here, boy. Hello, you. Hey, hey. Come here. Hello. Hello. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hey? What's your name? Oh, you want a cuddle? You want a tickle? Hey? He's nice and soft anyway. Isn't he, doggy? Hey? Hey. Come here. Come here. Hello, doggy. We've got a cow being milked just in there. She's being milked. We've got some football goals for the kids and a couple of horses. Another cow over there with a calf. She's feeding her calf. But yeah, there's loads of cows all being milked in there. There's a little bit of farming activity going on in there. Oh, my mate's back, look. Hello. Hello. For God's sake. What do you want? What do you want this? Hey? Hey? You can imagine what she smells like. She smells like a farmer's dog. But she's nice and soft. And how can you turn down stroking that belly? And she's off again. She's doing the rounds between me and that family over there for strokes. Oh, there's a bloody... Oh. You go away for 2 minutes and there's flies on your beer. Yeah, that's the one downside about being here. The flies are... You probably can't see them, but they're everywhere. Anyway, I'm enjoying the peace. Am I going to get a lion like I wanted? Depends what time those cows are going to wake me up, doesn't it, I guess. Anyway, cheers. Can't lie. It smells worse than you imagine. Be careful where I stand here. There are loads of them. Hopefully they all know I want a lion in the morning. Hello. Oh. Yeah, so can't lie, it is peaceful here. And it's enjoyable. Oh. I wanted somewhere where I wasn't going to get moved on. Obviously I'm not going to get moved on from here. I wanted somewhere I can have a lion in the morning. That's down to them cows if I can have a lion or not. And somewhere where I could have a beer. And I've had one or two. But yeah. Yeah. Got a bit chilly though, which is good on one hand because the flies all disappeared. On the flip side, I don't really want to get in the van yet. Jesus. I'm not going to record them obviously, but that little 40 tent that was opposite, that no one was there, they've just turned back up, and there's 4 people, two adults, 2 children. I just don't know how they're all going to fit in that one little tent, but not my problem. Yeah, anyway. Good morning. Oh, that's still hot. So yeah, slept really well to be fair. The cows started moving about 5 o'clock, as you can probably hear. But to be honest, I just dropped back off to sleep till about 7:30. So happy days. Got myself a brew on and got myself a bit of bacon on. However, it's not really cooking because it's a little bit windy. Let's turn that thing right up. How's that looking now? So yeah, the flies are back though, which is irritating as anything. But they did disappear last night, which is a bit odd. Anyone know where flies go? No idea. Right, I know I've asked you before, but what are you calling these things? So these are called, well, at least this bakery anyway, they're calling them baps. Baps. So sometimes bacon roll, I call it a bacon roll, I think. Which is a bit weird because I also call a sausage roll, which that's when it's in the pastry. But yeah, baps, rolls, bread cakes, tea cakes. Let me know what you guys call them. I know I've asked before, but I know there's a new audience since I asked last time. No, you can't tell me that doesn't look good. It smells good as well. However, it's a tad windy, and I mean a tad windy. And it's only just started, what, a few minutes ago. But since it started, or since I put the bacon on, the flies have all disappeared. So, are they getting blown away, or is it the smell of the bacon putting them off? Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, if you like the look of this place, this campsite, proper no frills. There's toilets. There's nowhere to empty your toilet. There's well, you seen it last night, hand washing, you know, communal fridge and that sort of stuff. So yeah, if you do ever fancy yourself in the area, this is what it's called, and I'll put the what 3 words location on screen as well. And I booked it through PitchUp. Right, it's time for the bacon sandwich. So I am missing an egg. I've got no butter, I've got no sauce. So it's just a dry bap, roll, bomb, whatever you call it, with bacon on. It's good though. And this is it, we're parked, pitch just over there. That's that tent. Couldn't get it up. Right, so that's it then, I guess. If you are still here, thanks very much for still being here. Appreciate it as always. Yeah, do you know, give the video a thumbs up because it makes a big difference. Like I say, not only to YouTube pushing the video out, but also makes a big difference to me. Like, you know, just shows that people enjoy it. And yeah, thanks very much, like I say, and we will catch you next week, where I might go back to try another fish and chips. Fancy that. Anyway, cheers guys.